Stillwater County in south central Montana, west central Yellowstone County in south central Montana, until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:38 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Rygate, or 32 miles southeast of Harleton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Broadview. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana: Golden Valley, Stillwater, and Yellowstone.